Vitamin C is one of the most proven, well-established and powerful immune-boosting, antioxidant, anti-aging, antiviral, antipathogenic nutrient known to man. These benefits have been clearly demonstrated over time, and yet human beings are among only a handful of animal species that cannot produce their own supply of vitamin C. So you absolutely must source it from food or via supplementation. Liposomal vitamin C has been scientifically proven to deliver more vitamin C into your body than traditional vitamin C supplements. This is achieved by wrapping the vitamin inside of liposomes. Liposomes are tiny, nano-sized bubbles, and they mimic the body's own cell membranes, and they're designed to protect the vitamin C as it travels through the body. Liposomes also have the ability to travel through the body's cells, aiding and accelerating absorption. This means that the vitamin C is being delivered directly into the cells of your body without being degraded and without consuming energy in the process, therefore maximizing its benefits. Evaluation and clinical comparison studies on liposomal and non-liposomal ascorbic acid vitamin C and their enhanced bioavailability have shown that liposomal encapsulated ascorbic acid achieves well-organized morphological patterns, uniform particle size, and is highly efficient, which leads to it having its enhanced bioavailability. Between 14 to 30% of the acidic ascorbic acid vitamin C consumed in supplement form is actually absorbed by the body. The absorption rate of liposomal vitamin C reaches up to 85%. Liposomal vitamin C's bioavailability is only outstripped by intravenous vitamin C. Intravenous vitamin C, which has 100% bioavailability by definition, is much more invasive as it requires a needle insertion, a specially trained facility, and 1 to 3 hours time for the slow infusion. High doses of intravenous vitamin C are used most frequently in conjunction with cancer treatment. The enhanced bioavailability also removes the negative effects that vitamin C has on the stomach upset and on diarrhea. This is particularly important when using vitamin C to treat many conditions where high doses are needed. As well as using this technique to make liposomal vitamin C, many other supplements can be made into liposomal solutions to enhance their bioavailability. The process remains the same. Just substitute the weight in vitamin C for an equal weight in one of the supplements or a mix of the supplements, for example, vitamin D3, CoQ10, elderberry, resveratrol, and glutathione. The equipment you'll need is an ultrasonic cleaner. You can purchase this cheaply for around $20 on a site like Amazon. You'll also need a blender. You'll need 1.5 cups of filtered water, 2.5 tablespoons of ascorbic acid or glutathione or trans-resveratrol, etc. 4 tablespoons of sunflower lecithin and 2 ounces of Everclear alcohol. Vodka or other alcohols can also be used. Pour 1.5 cups of warm filtered water into a blender. Measure in the ascorbic acid and the lecithin and blend for around 2 to 4 minutes. Depending on how soluble your lecithin granules are, you might want to let the mixture sit for an hour or so for the lecithin to swell up and soften, and then reblend to ensure that it's thoroughly dissolved. You should leave your mixture sit so that any air bubbles dissipate out of the solution. You want to set the timer on the ultrasonic cleaner for 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the lipids will be encapsulated with the vitamin C. You want to stir with a wooden spoon roughly every 2 minutes. You're not supposed to use metal. When the 15 minutes is up, allow the mixture to cool, and then repeat this for a total time of 1 hour zapping, with the appropriate breaks in between to cool the solution. You then pour this liquid into a glass container or a mason jar and store it in the fridge for up to 10 days. You can also freeze it in ice cube trays for later use. Some dosing examples. You can take 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliters, to get your 1.5 grams of vitamin C. Generally, 1 to 2 grams per day should afford you the general health benefits of vitamin C, such as immunity, brain health, collagen production, cardiovascular protection, energy production, and increased antioxidant presence. 4 grams of liposomal vitamin C has been used to protect against the oxidative damage that can happen post-heart attack or stroke due to reperfusion. For some information on one of the powerful uses of high-dose liposomal vitamin C, watch the YouTube video NZ Farmer, New Zealand farmer, beats swine flu with vitamin C.